Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how can I check my iPhone's information. So let's get started. First we have to go browser. After that we have to type 3U tools. Okay, you can see download 3U tools free latest version. So I'll give this link to my first comment, so check it out. Okay, you can see this is free download, so I have to download it. So it start downloading, you can see. Oh, actually it's downloading Opera settings setup, sorry. Now it's downloading 3U tools. Okay, I'll remove it because it's an browser, not that application. So my real application is downloading 3U tools. So I cut this time. Okay, you can see my download is complete, so I tap on it. It's opening. Okay, I think it's an issue, so I have to go my computers. Okay, it's calm. Now I have to tap on yes. Okay, it's calm. Here we go. Now I have to tap on install. So start installing. Now you have to take a cable to USB to Lightning or Type C. I'm using Tab, so I have to USB to Type C. So this cable you have to connect computer to the iPad or iPhone. Now I'm connect to iPad after the installation, so check it out. You can see everything about your iPhone's information, like camera, like everything. Okay, now I have to launch. You can see this is the application. It's coming. Okay, now my turn is to connect iPad to computer. No, I don't feel necessary. Okay, now I have to connect, so I'm connecting to computer to my iPad. So you can see connecting iDevice. Oh, my charge is down. Okay, now I have to tap on my iPad to allow. So I'm typing. Okay, so you can see it's connecting, but don't know why it's not connecting. You can see now I have to repair something, some Apple application support 32-bit and 64-bit. It's not installed, so I have to install it. Otherwise, I don't think. So you can see it's installing and repairing. This is uninstalled. Everything will be installed. So you have to wait for it. After that, you can easily connect to your iPad. I have finished my install, so now you have to give trust on your iPhone. So I tap on it and give my password. So I click on trust. So you can see iDevice is connected. Now the main thing is come. You can see everything information you want. So Apple ID lock is on, jailbreak no, activate yes, ISO version, then my IMEI number, serial number, everything. Battery life is 100%, you can see, and my charge times is 24 times. Now you can see verification report. So you can authorize to view. Now you can see everything. You can see my hard disk capacity, then my everything, my Bluetooth address, cellular address, Wi-Fi address, serial number, then everything, camera, front cameras, screen serial. So you can see everything is normal. So you can see everything you want from here. So you can see this is my iTab, my application, everything you want. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.